Plitvice Lakes National Park is one of the oldest and largest national parks in Croatia. In 1979, Plitvice Lakes National Park was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage list for its outstanding and picturesque series of tufa lakes, caves, and connected waterfalls. The national park was founded in 1949 and is in the mountainous karst area of central Croatia, at the border with Bosnia and Herzegovina. The important north-south road that passes through the national park area connects the Croatian inland with the Adriatic coastal region. The protected area extends over 296.85 square kilometers. About 90% of this area is part of Lika-Senj County, while the remaining 10% is part of Karlovac County. Each year, more than 1 million visitors are recorded, making the national park the most popular tourist attraction in Croatia. Entrance is subject to variable charges, between 10 and 40 euros per adult per day in summer. The national park is world famous for its lakes arranged in cascades. 16 lakes can be seen from the surface. These lakes are a result of the confluence of several small rivers and subterranean karst rivers. The lakes are all interconnected and follow the water flow. They are separated by natural dams of travertine, which is deposited by the action of moss, algae, and bacteria. The particularly sensitive travertine barriers are the result of an interplay between water, air and plants. The encrusted plants and bacteria accumulate on top of each other, forming travertine barriers which grow at the rate of about 1 centimeter per year. The Plitvice Lakes have formed in a depression between the Mala Kapela mountain in the west and the Lika-Pljesevica mountain in the east amidst the Dinaric Alps. The national park is located at the national route D1 Zagreb split between Slunj and Korenica in the vicinity of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Other larger municipalities within the surrounding area are Ogulin, Rakovica, Otočak, Gospić and Bihać in Bosnia. The shortest linear distance between the Adriatic coast and the national park is 55 kilometers. By road from the coastal town of Senj the distance is about 110 kilometers. After traversing the Velebit mountain range, travelers reach the Croatian karst plains of Lika. These plains are characterized by many karst polyas. The fastest north-south road connection within Croatia, the A1 Zagreb split, runs about 50 kilometers west of the national park and thus circumvents the protected area. Plitvice Lakes National Park can be reached from Karlovac exit in the north, from Otočak exit in the west or Gornja Ploka exit in the south. The particular geographic position of the Plitvice Lakes and the specific climate features contributed to the emergence of many natural phenomena and a rich biodiversity within this area. Despite the vicinity of the Mediterranean climatic region, a moderate mountainous climate prevails at the Plitvice Lakes due to the Velebit mountain range, which acts as a climatic separator between the coastal region and the Lika High Plateau. For centuries, legends have been created about this mythic mountain range. The area of the Plitvice Lakes is one of the most significant areas of Croatia for plant and animal diversity, mainly because of climatic conditions and its relatively remote location. The low level of industrial development in the surrounding area, along with the early introduction of protective measures, means an almost untouched landscape has been preserved. The partially primeval beech and fir forests host species such as the brown bear. Comparable phenomena to those prevailing at the Plitvice Lakes exist at Rastok, at the Krka National Park, at the rivers Una and the Pliva in Bosnia and Herzegovina and at the Krušina Falls in Bulgaria. The Band-i Amir lakes within the Hindu Kush mountain range form a similar system of lakes and dams, though diverging tufa formation processes prevail. Calc sinter formation processes that have not emerged along a river flow can be observed at the Mammoth Hot Springs within Yellowstone National Park or at Pamukkale in Turkey. Juzhagao is a nature reserve and national park located in the north of Sichuan, China. Also inscribed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site, its landscape of cascading lakes is made up of high-altitude karst shaped by glacial, hydrological and tectonic activity. The area around Ocho Rios, Jamaica is another region famous for its calc sinter rivers. Most popular, particularly with cruise ships, is Dunn's River Falls.